Hey everyone, and welcome to Money Moves for Teens. My name is Tally Levy, and I'm here to inform and inspire my teenage peers by discussing the topics of business, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. I'm so grateful you were able to take the time to listen today, and I hope you find value in this episode. It's a known point to revamp yourself and your goals for the new year, but as business owners, it's also super important to make sure you're also keeping up with the maintenance of your business. Your business should be constantly growing and improving, but it can get confusing as to where you should start. Hopefully, I can help with that problem by talking about 5 ways you can make 2021 the best year for your business. I hope you find these tips valuable and that they help your business to be even more successful in the new year. First, you should reassess your business plan. This plan should consist of factors such as your target customer, solutions, metrics, unique value proposition, and more. Because our world is ever evolving, our business and customer needs can change over time. I've given the example in my 14th episode about how maybe only adults aged 40 to 50 wanted record players a few years ago, but now teenagers and young adults want them too. If you sell record players, you may have to reassess how you advertise your product to appeal to your new customers. When you revisit and possibly make changes to your current business plan, you should make sure the steps you're taking on a regular basis are contributing to your larger goal, and the factors in your business plan are still relevant to what you're trying to portray as a brand. So first, you should reassess your business plan and make changes where you see necessary. Second, you should review your data from 2020 or your previous year in business to reflect on and analyze your results so you can be even more successful and effective in the new year. This could be your sales data, your social media analytics, and so on. Numbers can tell you so much about your business, and using them to your advantage will hopefully lead to more success and sales for you. And depending on what your business is, you'll have to analyze and make changes based on these numbers in whatever way makes the most sense for you. There's not really a one-size-fits-all for this point. But don't skip over this step and look at the numbers to reflect on and use to your advantage for next year. Third, you should set goals for your business. Just as we set goals for ourselves having to do with things like fitness or relationships, our businesses should have their own goals as well. Goals come in many forms, and they don't always have to be about the revenue you'll bring in. A goal might be to speak about your business at 5 different venues this year, or do 10 interviews or meet and greets. Things you would like to accomplish relating to your business should be written down and prioritized, because doing so will benefit you greatly. In my last episode, I talked all about goal setting and what method I recommend to carry out this step. I definitely suggest listening to that episode after you finish this one for guidance on this tip, because what I say about goal setting in that episode can definitely be applied specifically to your business goals. So third, you should set goals for your business. Fourth, you should interact with your customers and listen to their feedback when it comes to how you might improve as a business in the new year. Your customers and supporters of your business are a main contributing factor to your success, so it's only right you hear what they have to say. Through your business, you should constantly be trying to add value to others' lives, and hearing your customers' feedback is a great way to ensure you're consistently carrying that out. So form some questions, make some polls. Again, this greatly depends on your business, but receive feedback in some form from them and take that into the new year. Lastly, the 5th thing you should do with your business is try something you've never tried before. Go out of your comfort zone. I'm sure you've heard it before, but a major way to grow and improve is to try new things, and as a business owner, you have complete control over how you do that. Maybe try to host a presentation about your business in front of other people for the first time. Or launch a product line, create a course. It can be a big or small addition, but always trying new things will help you grow as a business and as a person, and it will continue to add the spark to what you do. Those are the 5 things you should implement into your business to make 2021 the best year for your business. Reassess your business plan, review your year's data, set business goals, interact with your customers, and try something new. I hope this episode provided you with inspiration, and I wish you lots of success with your business in 2021 and beyond. That concludes another episode of Money Moves for Teens. Thank you for tuning in today, and remember to thank yourself for creating the space to learn something new. If you enjoyed this episode, it would be a huge help to me and others if you would share my content with those who might benefit from the information. You're always welcome to leave a rating and review, and if you have any questions or would like to follow me on other media, you can visit my website, moneymovesforteens.com. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next episode.